joint, raw. Yeah. Hey, pay me a lighter, man. Yeah. Hey, I'm in a booth right now, right? And I look around and I finally realize that I done turned myself to a